Vermont Tool Company. Name brand tools with a warranty. Your premium automotive supplier. Helping others worldwide receive tools. How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. Just wanted to do an unboxing of this 5-inch random orbital sander from DEWALT. We got a DWE6421. It also comes with a DWE6421K. It doesn't have the bag in it. So flipping it around to the back tells you a little bit about what's included. We got a fully assembled sander with a dust bag. Comes with a 1-year warranty and a 3-year warranty directly through DEWALT. So we do honor the 1-year warranty at Vermont Tool Company. So yeah, let's just dive right on in. See what this DEWALT sander looks like. Got the dust bag right here. It's got a spring inside of it. Feels pretty durable. This also works with DEWALT's dust system to be able to hook the back of this right up onto your dust system, just like this. Nice. Really thick industrial cord, so it won't be crimped or cut easily. Nice rubber on the top. Great grips on the sides for your fingers, your index finger and your thumb. Got a great shield right here on their button, so nothing's going to be able to get into there. Venting right here, you can see. We do have these for sale at VermontToolCompany.com.